Hello student. Today we are going to start with lesson number 9, the freedom movement of 1857 CE, social science standard 8. Now let's start with the lesson. Nationalism emerged. Emerge means appear in India due to not only the arrival of the Europeans but also because of their behavior and policies. An important event, that is an occasion, happened in India in the year 1857 CE, which became the first factor responsible for combining the feeling of nationalism in a country. Now, reasons for the outbreak of the revolt of 1857. The main reason for the revolt of 1857 CE was the widespread, means worldwide, dissatisfaction, means unhappiness among the people in India due to the crushing policies, means plans of the British adopted to spread their empire in India. Let us rethink the reasons in detail about what led to this dissatisfaction, that is unhappiness. First of all, social and religious reasons. The policy, that is the plan of social reforms by the company, made people feel insecure and doubtful. They felt that the government was trying to convert, means trying to change their religion to Christianity and destroy the Indian culture and religion forever. People believe that the Indian social system was purposely weakened in the railways, jails, and military. A large section of a society was traditional at that time, and thus the new changes awakened disappointed in them. As a result, many people joined this freedom movement to help their organized devotional structure, that is plan. Next was economic reason. The aim, means the focus of the British was to bring prosperity. Prosperity means wealth to England at the cost of India. As a result, most of the section of Indian society became poor. The landlords and peasants, having lost their lands, participated in the revolt. Next was political reasons. The East India Company obtained the divine rights. Divine rights means rights to collect revenue as a result of their victory in the Battle of Boxer in 1764 CE. This was succeeded by an violent policy of expansion, means growth, with the help of subsidiary alliance, doctrine of lapsy, policy of annexations, and married diplomacy. Now, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and Raja Kuwar Singh of Bihar, who were among the few of the victims, means sufferer of these policies, joined the revolt to regain their territories, that is area. Landlords and peasants who had lost their land had also joined the revolt. Next was the military reasons. The number of British officers and soldiers was very less in a vast country like India. The ratio of the Indian soldiers to the British soldiers was about 6 is to 1 in the military. Even the higher posts in the military were booked for the British. Here, the chance of promotion was also very limited for the Indian soldiers. And there was a big difference between the salary of Indian soldiers and British soldiers. The salary that the Indian soldiers received was 7 rupees, while the British soldiers received 150 rupees per month. The British soldiers think that the Indian soldiers are too simple and unimportant as per the religious restrictions. Restrictions means limitation. The Indian soldiers were not allowed to cross the sea, or else the person would be treated as an outcast, means rejected. In spite of this custom, that is tradition, the Indian soldiers were forced to cross the sea in order to fight battles for the British. Thus, like other Indians, the soldiers too felt that their religion was at risk. The soldiers, being a part of the Indian society, shared the same sentiments. Sentiments means feelings of pain, doubt, and anger as what other did. Next, the immediate reasons. There were many reasons for the rising anger and dissatisfaction among the people towards the British rule. Now, in January 1857, a new rifle, that is a type of gun which was known as Enfield rifle, was introduced in the Indian Army. The cartridge of this rifle had to be bitten off before being used. This cartridge was greased with the fat of cow and pig, means with the meat of cow and pig. Now, for the Hindus, the beef means meat, and for the Muslim, the pork means meat of a pig, was prohibited by their religion. Hence, they felt that the British were purposely trying to desanctify their religion. The response to their complaints in the same regards was not satisfactory. Hence, the 19th Battalion of Barakpur was the first to refuse the use of the cartridge. As a result, the entire battalion was disbanded. Disband means dissolve. Next, planning of the revolt and Mangal Pandey. As it was planned to begin the revolt, that is fight, across the nation against the East India Company on 31st May 1857. Here, the leaders like Nana Sahib Peshwa, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Kuwar Singh and the Nawab of Awadh had joined hands with Tatya Tope, who was an efficient military commander. Now Rangu Bapuji, an accomplished, means an expert planner, and Azimullah Khan, a lawyer and a journalist, to guide the revolt, that is fight. Lotus and roti were the symbol to join the revolt for the civilians and the soldiers respectively. These symbols were circulated, means spread across the nation. Breads, that is poet, Hindu and Muslim priests, aluyas and messengers played their part in spreading the word about the revolt, that is fight. Mangal Pandey opposed, means against the use of the cartridge greased with the fat of cow and pigs, that is with the meat of cow and pigs. So the revolt began earlier than the fixed date. It disturbed the planning and the objectives of the revolt, which could not be achieved. Now Mangal Pandey, who was born to a Brahmin couple in Nagwa village of Uttar Pradesh, he joined the British Army as a soldier at rupees 7 as his salary. Now the Indian soldiers who had agreed to revolt wanted to wait till 31st May. But 26 years old Mangal Pandey could not wait till 31st May. And he also refused to follow the orders of using the Enfield rifle and challenged the British officers. So, Sergeant Major Hewson ordered to arrest him, but Mangal Pandey shot him before he was arrested by the British officers. Mangal Pandey defeated another British officers also, and the Indian soldiers refused to arrest Mangal Pandey as he was a Brahmin. When he was called by the British soldiers, he shot himself by his own rifle, that is a gun. A bleeding Mangal Pandey, that is a full of blood Mangal Pandey, was taken to the hospital because the British wanted to get information about the plan of the revolt from him. Now, on 6th April 1857, the military court pretended means act to run a case against Mughal Pandey. The entire proceeding means beginning was in English. He was sentenced to death at the end, but he did not disclose any information regarding the revolt to the British. That is why it is said that how was a patriot's war? He was hanged to death at 5:30 a.m. on 8th April, and that is how he became the first patriot of the revolt of 1857. Spread of the revolt and its leaders. First of all, Delhi and Bahadur Shah Zafar. On 11th May, the soldiers reached Delhi from Meerut, that is Meerut, in the morning. They could capture Delhi with the help of the Indian soldiers present there. They convinced the 80-year-old Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar to accept the leadership of the revolt. This news infused a new life in the revolt, and many regions of India joined the revolt. Next, Kanpur and Nana Sahib. On 4th June 1857, the revolt broke in Kanpur, and Nana Sahib Peshwa was asked to take the leadership of the revolt. But they had to surrender them to the Britishers because of a 22 days long military operation. There was a shortage of food and water. Next, Bihar and Kuwar Singh. In Bihar, Patna and Jagdishpur were the main centers of the revolt. Kuwar Singh, a 70-year-old landlord, was the leader of the revolt. He fought bravely against the Britishers. At the time of battle, he got shot in his arm, and to stop the poison from spreading into his body, he cut his hand from the elbow and offered it to the river Ganga. Before Kuwar Singh died, he had freed Jagdishpur from the British control. Next, Jhansi and the great warrior Lakshmi Bai. Here, the queen of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai, was a great warrior, but the Britishers did not accept her adopted son as the heir, means successor of to the throne. This is the reason for her joining the revolt. She was one of the most skillful leaders of the revolt. She had also prepared an army of women to fight against the British. They fought bravely against the British. According to the British officers, Queen Lakshmi Bai was one of the greatest women leaders in the revolt of 1857. Next, a brave army commander, Tatya Top. Nana Sahib Peshwa had made Tatya Top the commander of the army at Kanpur. Soon he became his trusted, that is faithful commander. He skillfully fought to free Kanpur, playing the role of a commander for the first time in his life. For the next 2 years, he played a major role in the revolt across the country. No one in his time had fought as many battles as he had fought. Soldiers from different parts of India had joined the revolt. From North India, Bareilly, Banaras, Allahabad, Agra, Azamgarh, and Gorakhpur had joined. Ajmer, Nasirabad, and Abu from the Rajputana and Gwalior. Mysore, Indore, and Dhar from the central India took part in the revolt. Satara, Kolhapur, Savantrawadi, Nagargand, Dharwad, etc. also became active in south, but these centers were separated. Next, revolt of 1857 in Gujarat. In June 1857, the 7th Battalion of the British Army broke into revolt in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. But it was soon stopped. Dahod, Jalod, and Godhra of Panchmahal witnessed the battle with the British Army. The soldiers could capture government offices with the help of the natives but were soon defeated. The Naikadas of Panchmahal continued the revolt almost for a year. To join the revolt, Garbhadas Patel, the headman of Anand in Kheda district, collected almost 2000 volunteers of the Koli and Naikada communities. He was supported by Jivabai Thakur of Kanpur, Malaji Joshi, and Krishnadas Dave. But the supporters of Garbhadas were captured by the Britishers, and it is said that the Britishers used to tie the Indians to the cannon and were blown off with the cannon ball fire. Garbhadas was exiled. Exile means migrated to Andamans, where he died at the end. Now, the people of Chandak, that is Chandap village, which is 16 miles away from Idar, accepted the leadership of Nathaji and Yamaji and joined the revolt. The British had camp at Nandana village between Okha and Baradi. Here, the British commander of navy became impatient and he reached the fort of Bet Dwarika via the Bay of Bet. Here, the British officer Donovan ordered an attack on the fort. At this time, the Vagrants inside the fort had no such artilleries, artilleries means big guns, to oppose the attack. And at this time, the Vagar woman came up with a very brave and innovative means creative idea. They soaked the mattress, means they dipped the mattress in water in which they could catch the cannonballs and cool them immediately. So this would enable the Vagar men to fight the battle without being hit by the cannonballs. It is said that nowhere in the history of the world such act of bravery has been exhibited, means so till now. Without worrying about their own lives, Vagar women very bravely disarmed the cannonballs. The act of bravery was equivalent to that of Rani Lakshmi Bai. These women were the Lakshmi Bais of Gujarat. Next, city of North Gujarat like Patan, Kheralu, Biloda, Muditi, etc. broke into the revolt with the help of the natives. Apart from this, in December 1858, Tatya Top stayed with his army in Panchmahal district of Gujarat. He had to escape, means to run away to the forest of Vanswada, where being chased by the British army. Next, end of the revolt. At the time of the revolt, weapons and soldiers were supplied to the Britishers from England, Iran, etc. The revolt had started on 10th May 1857, but by the end of June 1857, the Britishers were able to regain control on Banaras and Allahabad. They also recaptured Kanpur by the end of July and Delhi in September 1857. Bahadur Shah Zafar and his queen Begum Zinat Mahal were imprisoned and exiled, means migrated to Rangoon, the capital of Burma, where they died after few years, and their 3 sons were murdered by the Britishers. Now in the March 1858, Lucknow was also captured by the British. Jhansi fell because of the treachery. Treachery means disloyalty of one of the courtyards of Jhansi. As a result, Lakshmibai escaped, means ran away towards Kalpi, where she died while fighting a battle with the British troops. Troops means soldiers. Now, after the final defeat, Nana Sahib Peshwa escaped. Escape means ran away to Nepal. It is believed that he lived in the Sihor village of Bhavnagar district of Gujarat, where he is believed to have died in 1902. Due to the betrayal means disloyalty of one of his allies, it is said that Tatya Top was captured. According to the official documents, Tatya Top was hanged on 18th April 1859. However, as per the other sources, we come to know that Tatya Top had managed to escape and someone else was hanged in his place. It is believed that he had spent the last few years of his life in Navsari. Next, why was the revolt a failure? The revolutionaries means freedom fighter, failed to retrieve. Retrieve means recover the power from the Britishers due to their limitations. Some of which were: number 1, the rebels means revolt, fight, late means need, coordination. There was an absence of centralized leadership. There was no provisions. Provisions means supply of reinforcement. Reinforcement means increase of men, money and ammunition. Ammunition means bullets. Number 2, it is said that the outbreak of the revolt happened way before the pre-planned date. As a result, the planning was disrupted. Disrupted means disturbed, disordered, and it alerted means warned the British. Number 3, the revolt remained concentrated largely in North India. Many social reformers refrained means rejected directly or indirectly from joining the revolt. This proves that the intellectual means clever, learned class did not support the revolt, that is fight. Number 4, India is a country known for its regional diversity. Diversity means variety in languages, food habits, dressing, etc. Before the British rule, the people were ruled by the regional dynasties. As a result, the sentiment means feeling of nationalisms, belongingness means attachment to India as one nation had not developed either in the people or in their leaders. Many leaders either sided with the British or remained passive at the time of the revolt. Number 5, the Sikhs and the Gurkhas fought by the side of the British, which proved to be a major disadvantage, means trouble for the rebel fight. Number 6. The British had a superior army, weapons and military commanders compared to the rebels. Number 7. All the leaders were fighting for regaining their power or territory lost to the British. They were not fighting for the freedom of their nation. Next, effects and consequences. The revolt was not successful against the Britishers. However, it still ushered means help in a new era of change. Number 1, company rule came to an end in India and India came under the rule of the crown. Number 2, the interference in the internal affairs of the princely state of India was stopped. Number 3, the British government was compelled. Compelled means forced to change its policies towards India. Number 4, the salary, allowances, and facilities given to the Indian soldiers were increased. Number 5, this revolt helped in evoking means bringing a feeling of nationalisms in the people of India. This was your lesson which I have completed. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.